Hi, I'm Steffanie Stelnick with the Law Offices of Steffanie Stelnick, and we are going to discuss title insurance today. And we have been fortunate enough to have my good friend Steve Manzo with Orange Coast Title come in and allow everybody to figure out what the heck is title insurance and why is it involved in every single real estate transaction. So Steve, what is title insurance?
Well, Steffanie, that is a great question because it comes up in every real estate transaction. People know that they pay for it, but they don't know what it is. So to make it easier for your audience, I'm going to keep it in as simple terms as possible. Think of the title company as the private investigator of the real estate industry. What we do is we bring up all the information on your property itself. So we're going to find out what kind of deeds of trust are on it, if you have any back taxes, maybe there's a city lien, maybe for weed abatement. These are some of the simple things that we're going to find out immediately. The more important part is that we're also going to look at the seller. That's where they have different liens and encumbrances that can be against them. So they might have a state or federal tax lien. They might have alimony. They might have child support. They may have a les pendants going on or a bankruptcy. These are all the different things that we're going to find out, because in order for us to give you clear title insurance to the buyer, we have to make sure that the seller pays for all of the liens that might be on that property. So really, that's pretty much the simplest way of being able to understand title. We do also ask for what we call a statement of information, which is where the person gives us their name and their social security number so that we don't grab somebody else's issues or liens that might be against them and tag it onto the person that owns the property.
So does everyone have to have title insurance?
Yes, they do. So whether they're doing a refinance or they're selling their property, they have to get title insurance. When you're selling the home, of course, the buyer wants to make sure that nobody's going to come knocking on their door and say, I just had work done on the property. I was never paid for this. So we make sure we protect you from the past. Once we've given you clear title, then that new owner, anything they do from that point forward is what's going to go against them. But we protect them from anything that may have happened from the previous owner.
What happens if you don't have title insurance?
Well, Steph, that is a great question, because you might have an instance where there's a probate, maybe there's a les pendants on the property, or maybe there's been some falsified documents. So that's where you would come in.
Okay, and how best to get a hold of you so that my clients can see what they need in order to make sure that the title is clean?
If ever they want to get a hold of me, they could call me, Steve Manzo, at Orange Coast Title, 661-810-3047.
We at the Law Offices of Steffanie Stelnick work hand in hand with title. Orange Coast is who I work with directly. Whenever I have an issue with title insurance, I call my good friend Steve Manzo and ask him for a property profile, and he gives it to me within minutes. So anytime you need any help with title, have any questions about your title, please feel free to call me at 661-917-2224 or email me at stephanie@stelnicklaw.com or visit our website at stelnicklaw.com.